Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your GMC Sierra 2007 to 2013? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 GMC Sierra manages power distribution for interior features like lighting, audio system, and power accessories. It also safeguards circuits for functions such as HVAC controls, airbags, and instrument panel operations. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2008 GMC Sierra controls and protects circuits for interior components like power windows, seats, dome lights, and infotainment system. It also manages safety features such as airbags and keyless entry systems. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2009 to 2013 GMC Sierra regulates power for interior systems like power outlets, lighting, audio, and climate control. It also protects safety circuits including airbags, seat controls, and security systems. The center instrument panel fuse block in the 2007 GMC Sierra supplies power to interior features like the audio system, HVAC controls, and interior lighting. It also protects circuits for power outlets, rear defogger relay, and driver information systems. The center instrument panel fuse block in the 2008 to 2013 GMC Sierra controls power for interior systems like radio, navigation, climate controls, and interior lighting. It also safeguards circuits for OnStar, power outlets, and vehicle communication modules. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 GMC Sierra manages power distribution for critical systems like the engine control module, ABS, and cooling fans. It also protects circuits for headlights, fuel system, and transmission controls. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2008 GMC Sierra distributes power to major systems such as the engine control module, ABS, and cooling fans. It also safeguards circuits for lighting, fuel system, and transmission functions. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2009 to 2013 GMC Sierra controls power distribution to essential systems like the engine management, ABS, and cooling fans. It also protects circuits for exterior lighting, fuel delivery, and transmission operations. The auxiliary electric cooling fan fuse box in the 2007 GMC Sierra controls power for the additional cooling fan system, helping regulate engine and transmission temperatures. It safeguards the fan circuits to prevent overheating and ensure optimal cooling performance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this